Aside from the obvious stylistic differences and quality differences between versions, there's also been improvements made to certain areas where MidJourney and a lot of image models struggle, including, notoriously, the rendering of hands. Human hands have been a challenge for most image models, and MidJourney famously will add people or create people with 4 fingers, 6 fingers, 7 fingers, 3 fingers, especially with older versions. V5 onwards is better. It's not perfect. You still will often end up with somebody who has too many or too few fingers, but more often you'll get someone who has the correct number of fingers. So let me just demonstrate this just as another difference between models. It's not just about the quality of the images, the photographic nature, the artistic, style. That is important, and those are definite changes between models, but there's also subtler things, like another one is teeth, and another one is how the models handle text. They all suck at rendering text, let's be clear, but you have a bit more control over the text with more recent models. But the point is that there's more to the distinctions between versions than just what you see here. There's incremental improvements made. So let's do a prompt of 2 people shaking hands, and let's say a close-up of 2 people shaking hands. And I'll specify a version. Let's start with 3. I'll run this twice, and then I'll do 4 twice. So you see I've hit my limit of maximum number of concurrent jobs, and actually what's happening is that I have 2 jobs when I tried to do version 1 that got hung up for some reason. What I can do is cancel the job, and the way that you do it is a little odd, but you react with an X emoji, and that will cancel the job, so it's now gone. Let's do that to this one as well. X, if you ever get one that's stuck, now it's gone, and my other jobs begin. So I hit that queue limit faster than I should have, because I had these other jobs that were just paused and broken for some reason. Anyway, these are now starting to come in. You can see with V3 to this one. Yeah, this one already finished. I mean, the fingers are just a garbled mess. It looks like, I don't even know, like ground beef or something awful. Now I'll try the same prompt, and I'll run this a few times with V4. And it will be better quality at least, but we're going to have a bunch of weird fingers as well. So I'll run that twice. Now I have hit the queue again, the limit, because I still have some jobs that are being processed, but I'm not going to cancel those yet. So here's my first batch of V4 images coming in. We have somebody, it looks like they have 2 thumbs. No, actually, I'm not sure what's happening here. This person looks like they have a thumb on their index finger. We have this person here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers and then a thumb that's hidden on the other side. So, we're getting some weird stuff going on. Here's another example. Now we have a person with 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, and then a thumb, and a very weird looking thumb. And same thing here, 1, 2, 3, and a thumb. So 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, and a thumb. The point is, it's just not perfect at all at generating hands. Here's another example where this person has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers and a thumb. So not great. Now, if we use the latest default version, which is currently 5.2, I'll run that maybe twice. Here's our first batch of 5.2 hands. This person has 1, 2, 3, 4 plus a thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus a thumb, although this finger still looks kind of weird. This person has 1, 2, 3, 4 plus a thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's much better. It's still not perfect. Let's see. Does this? That's the right amount of fingers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, okay. So we're in good shape with most of these. They might look a little weird, like this finger is kind of weird, but we're generally getting the right number of fingers. Just a quick illustration of that, a notorious issue that image models tend to have. MidJourney has improved in that between versions. So the version numbers, it's not just about how pretty something looks. There are more specific details, like how it handles teeth, how it handles fingers, and things like that have improved over time. And then the final thing we did learn in this video, I just used it as an opportunity to show you how to cancel a job. If you react to a job that's currently in progress using an X emoji, it will cancel the job and remove it from the queue.